Ever wondered how Node.js, the popular JavaScript runtime, works under the hood? It's like a backstage pass to a rock concert where the magic really happens. Today, we're going to explore this fascinating process, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how Node.js operates. First on the agenda, we dive into the heart of Node.js, the Google V8 JavaScript engine. This powerful tool translates the JavaScript code into machine code, which your computer can understand and execute. Think of it as a skilled interpreter, seamlessly bridging the gap between human and machine language. Next, we move on to the libov library. This is the real workhorse of Node.js, taking care of the asynchronous I/O operations. It's like a multitasking maestro, ensuring that everything runs smoothly even when handling multiple tasks simultaneously. The libov library uses an event loop, which keeps an eye out for tasks, delegates them to the system kernel whenever possible, and manages the callbacks. Now, let's take a closer look at the event loop. This is where the magic of non-blocking I/O happens. When a task is completed, the callback associated with the task gets pushed into the call stack. The event loop continuously checks the call stack and executes the callbacks in a last-in, first-out order. This ensures that the main thread never gets blocked and your application remains highly responsive. Next up, the Node.js modules. These are reusable pieces of code that can be exported and imported into other files. They enable you to write modular, maintainable code. Node.js comes with a host of built-in modules like HTTP, RFS, Path, and others, but you can also create and use your own. Finally, the Node.js Package Manager, or NPM. This is the world's largest software registry, containing over 1 million packages of reusable code. NPM makes it easy to manage and share your modules and to use modules shared by others. To summarize, Node.js works by translating JavaScript code into machine code using the Google V8 engine, managing asynchronous I/O operations with the help of the libov library and the event loop, using modules to keep the code modular and maintainable, and NPM to manage and share these modules. The entire process ensures that your application runs smoothly, efficiently, and responsively. So, there you have it, the inner workings of Node.js. It's a finely tuned machine working tirelessly behind the scenes to power your applications. The next time you code in Node.js, you'll have a deeper understanding of the process that goes on behind the scenes. Remember, understanding the tools you work with will make you a better developer, so keep learning and keep exploring.